When it comes to enhancing your home's ventilation and comfort, many homeowners focus on upgrading windows or installing new HVAC systems. However, one of the most effective and often overlooked solutions is door installation. A properly installed door can significantly improve airflow, regulate indoor temperatures, and create a more comfortable living environment. Whether you're replacing an outdated door or upgrading to a more energy-efficient model, here's how door installation can enhance your home's ventilation and comfort. Enhanced airflow with properly installed doors. Airflow is essential for maintaining a fresh and comfortable living environment, especially in homes that experience hot or humid weather. Poor ventilation can lead to stuffy rooms, uncomfortable humidity levels, and even the growth of mold. This is where door installation plays a key role. When installing new doors, especially exterior doors, homeowners often opt for styles that improve airflow, such as French doors or screen doors. These types of doors provide greater openings and allow for improved air circulation between rooms. For example, replacing a solid front door with a double French door can provide better cross ventilation, allowing cool air to flow in from the outside and warm air to escape, especially during the summer months. In interior spaces, replacing traditional doors with louvered doors or doors that allow for airflow can significantly improve the circulation of air between rooms. Proper ventilation can reduce the buildup of moisture, prevent musty odors, and improve overall air quality inside your home. Regulating indoor temperature. Proper door installation can also help regulate the indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable year-round. In climates like Florida or other areas with extreme heat in the summer and chilly nights in the winter, it's essential to control the temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient doors, which are designed with advanced insulation and tight seals, can reduce drafts and help your home maintain a consistent temperature. When air leaks around doors, it can lead to the loss of conditioned air and force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable environment. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors ensures better temperature regulation, meaning your home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. In the case of patio doors, for instance, energy-efficient models with low E glass help block heat during the summer while still allowing natural light to enter, creating a bright and comfortable indoor atmosphere. This not only improves your comfort but also lowers your energy bills, as your cooling and heating systems will not need to work as hard. Improved fresh air circulation with screen doors. Another key factor in maintaining a comfortable home environment is having access to fresh air. Screen doors, whether installed on your front, back, or patio doors, are an excellent way to allow natural ventilation into your home while keeping insects and pests outside. Screened doors provide the perfect balance between enjoying the breeze and maintaining comfort indoors. You can open your door wide to let fresh air flow through your home without worrying about bugs, dust, or pollen. This is especially beneficial during spring or fall, when the weather is pleasant, and you want to let in as much natural air as possible. Moreover, having a screen door in place doesn't just improve ventilation, it also allows you to enjoy the view and sounds of the outdoors while keeping your home secure. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, lounging in the living room, or enjoying time with family, screen doors offer an easy way to bring in fresh air without compromising your comfort or security. Better humidity control. Humidity can be a significant issue for homeowners, particularly in areas with high moisture levels. Excess humidity can create an uncomfortable environment and lead to issues like mold and stale air. Poor ventilation is one of the main culprits behind high indoor humidity levels. By installing new doors that promote airflow, you can better control the humidity levels in your home. For example, French doors or sliding patio doors allow more air to flow freely between spaces, which can help reduce moisture buildup in areas like bathrooms and kitchens. By opening these doors and allowing air to circulate, you can keep humidity levels in check and avoid the musty, damp feeling that often accompanies poor ventilation. Additionally, energy-efficient doors with weatherproof seals help keep humid air from infiltrating your home, allowing you to maintain a more comfortable and balanced indoor environment. Aesthetic and functional upgrade. Upgrading to a new door doesn't just improve ventilation and comfort, it can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. A new, stylish door can make a dramatic difference in the look and feel of your entryway, while also improving functionality. For example, custom doors made with high-quality materials such as fiberglass or steel can complement your home's exterior and add curb appeal, while also offering the benefits of better insulation and weather resistance. Similarly, replacing outdated sliding doors with modern, energy-efficient models can improve both the appearance and performance of your home's outdoor access points. Increased property value. Installing new doors that improve ventilation, comfort, and energy efficiency can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with modern features and upgrades that promote comfort and efficiency. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to make your home more enjoyable, investing in quality door installation is an upgrade that pays off in both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Conclusion: invest in door installation for better ventilation and comfort. Installing new doors in your home is one of the simplest ways to enhance both ventilation and comfort. Whether you're seeking to improve airflow, regulate indoor temperature, control humidity, or simply update the aesthetic of your home, the right doors can make a world of difference. With energy-efficient and stylish door options available, upgrading your doors not only improves your home's overall comfort but can also increase its value. Don't wait. Invest in door installation today to create a more comfortable, breathable, and inviting home for you and your family.